Acdsee sells digital video creation and digital photo management software. This would be a great addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. There are commissions to be gained by participants in their affiliate program. Check this out. Acdsee products allow users to work with video and digital photos right from their desktop. These days everyone utilizes software to work with video and digital photography. Social media has made most people young and old media focused. Individual software used to express what is on a user's mind is absolutely essential these days. Get in on the commissions being paid out for this product. Selling video and photo editing software can be very lucrative and pay you huge commissions, as you provide a product that so many people need. Those customers that buy video editing software tend to be very direct. They use very specific keywords when searching for this type of product. Video and photo software related keywords are searched more than 110,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn high commissions selling these products using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $189. Affiliates receive 15% for each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.